Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am unboxing new laptop. This is Lenovo 15.3 inches IdeaPad Slim 3 Core i7, and this is having 512 GB of hard drive and 16 GB of RAM. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Let me show you how cool is this new laptop. Let me open up this box and I will be showing you how cool is the new laptop. This is the sleek laptop in Luna grey color. And it comes with the instruction booklet and some warranty paper, and then the wall charger. It is very sleek and lightweight and 1.59 kilogram weight, and the battery life is also very good, which is approximately 10 hours. So now let me set up this cool laptop. So this is the 15.3 inches IdeaPad Slim 3 Core i7 laptop, and you can see that it's quite a big, and you can use it for your study or you can use for any office work. And I will be showing you it has quite a good battery also. On the left side of the laptop, let me show you what they have provided. So on the first one is the charging point, and then there is a USB type A, and then the other is a HDMI output, and then USB type C, and plus a audio jack port. So that is the thing. And on the right side I will be showing you what they have provided. And this is the power button, and then this is a slot for card reader, and this is USB type A. So let me show you from the top how it looks. So this is a gray color, very nice and scratch free finish, and this is from the back. So moreover, this camera has a webcam with the privacy shutter, so that way you can work without bothering about your privacy. And also there is a light in the keypad, you can see that. So a little bit light, as you can notice. So it is a quite a good laptop, and this is the price currently at Officeworks store, which is a very popular store in Australia, $897, and you can buy the extra warranty. See, if you are working in the night time, you can see that the glow on the keypad. So it is quite a good and easy to work in the night time. Let's say you're traveling in the dark train or bus, you can do your own work. So it is quite helpful that way. This is the detailed description of this laptop, which is currently on Officeworks for $897 AUD. So Officeworks is a quite a popular store in Australia with the lowest price. And as you can see, Lenovo 15.3 inches IdeaPad Slim 3 Core i7 with the 16 gig of RAM, 512 GB of hard drive, and this is the product code, and as you can see, and these are the couple of pictures they have put up on the website. And so let me show you the product detail. So this is an Intel Core i7 processor. This sleek laptop is very like creative and productive, and 15.3 inches, which is a quite a big screen. Like if you are working on this for office or personal purpose, it will be quite helpful. And 16 gig of RAM and 512 GB of SSD portable hard drive. So sorry, SSD. So 512 GB of SSD hard drive. So this is a 15.3 inches WXGA display, 10 core 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core i7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, 1512 GB of SSD hard drive, and it has a UHD graphics and also support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, USB 3.2 and USB-C, and it comes with a 12 months warranty, and the battery life is very strong, which is 14.5 hours, so which is quite a good if you are like traveling, and you can use this laptop without have to worry for the charging. And also it comes with the Windows 11 Home, and also it has 720p HD webcam with the privacy shutter. So it comes in a stylish Luna gray design, so that is quite a good thing. And this is the technical detail, so you can go through that, and I will be putting up the web link in the description of my video. I hope guys you enjoy this video of unboxing new laptop Lenovo, and if you have any question, just put it in the comments. I will be sharing the web link of this product in the description, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.